you guys remember when the urban prepper spent days eating food ration bars?
Well, here's the last bite of day one, and day one has been very tough. This has not been an enjoyable video whatsoever.
Yeah, well, that's not this video, but we are doing a taste test. Let's go look. Hi, everyone. Morgan and family here. Today, we're going to taste test the Mayday emergency or food ration bar. This is a very popular one that is in a lot of ready-to-go bug-out bags and things like that. It's also just a popular one, just a popular brand. So we're going to taste test this. I've actually never tasted this one. So let's go ahead and rip her open. There's a little notch right there.
Let me try.
Okay.
Let me try. I'll try open one side. You try to open.
You can do it.
No.
We can always break out the trusty. Nice. Slice.
Oh my god, that's easy.
So the food rations have a 5-year shelf life. And a lot of people recommend them because, you know, they have a 5-year shelf life. They can withstand cold, hot, whatever. The biggest problem with the Mayday so far is that this is supposed to be 3 bars per day. So this will only last you 2 days for one person, okay? So this, how does it smell?
Smells like one of those. I don't know what it smells.
I don't know. It doesn't, it smells good. It smells good.
It kind of feels like sandy, but like but glossy on the outside, like kind of like sticky. And
yeah,
you could have it for 3 people, just be one people.
Well, yeah, you couldn't have this for 3 people though. This bar by itself is supposed to be for one person. So each individual square here is 400 calories with a total of 2,400 calories. So this is for just 2 days. Of course, you could cut those calories, but that's, you know, it's a total of 2,400 calories. It's not, you know, a total of 2,000 calories per day. It's 400 calories per little bar. So, oh, fudge. And, all right, here you go.
How hard?
Yeah, there's
It's dry. Very dry. I don't really like it.
They're supposed to be hard. You can like dip them in water or tea or coffee or something like that. But just imagine just eating this big brick, just like as your meal, right?
I don't even like it. I'm like grinding. I don't really like it.
Yeah, it's just so dry and just like
too dry.
I think it tastes good.
It's stuck in my throat.
Some more
I do not like it.
So these do last 5 years. That's a positive. You know, they last 5 years. You can throw them in your car. You can throw them in terrible conditions, hot, cool, whatever, and they will be fine, right? Because that's what these are made for. They're made for boat rations to literally just be on, you know, the boat or wherever, right? And for emergency purposes. But as far as taste goes, I think it's good. It has a little bit of sweetness. I think I taste a little bit of cinnamon there. I think it tastes generally fine. You know, so as far as the Mayday goes, if you're looking for an emergency food ration, this is pretty good. Just keep in mind, this particular one is good for 2 days, not 3. So just keep that in mind, unless you want to ration even further and, you know, just eat half a bar, which would be 200 calories per meal, which is not a lot. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Thanks for my taste testers.
Before we go, I suggest getting chocolate ones if you have kids. Because sometimes kids want chocolate all the time. And kids are very picky.
I don't tend to believe in the whole, well, if you have it, you're going to eat it because you're hungry mindset, because we're preppers and we need to prep accordingly. But there are many instances in which having this is not a terrible idea, just for like super last case scenario kind of thing. Okay. Thank y'all so much for watching. Conquer Tomorrow by Preparing Today.
Talk to you later. Bye. Talk to you later. Bye.